So GarageBand has had a little bit of an update just recently, and a couple of the features in this are really, really useful, certainly if you're getting into podcasting or using GarageBand for just some of the audio recording features. The first one I'm going to show you from the home screen itself, and this is using the hold to touch and bring up some options within this. Now, you've always been able to do these first few things directly, as well as being able to see recently created files. But now you also have the option to just jump straight into an audio recording. So tapping on this will open the app and take you straight into the audio recording. So for those people doing anything like podcasting or just using the audio recorder on the device, it's a really, really quick and simple way to go straight into it without having to go into the app and then finding those things. Having said that, the process of adding in those audio recordings is also directly at the top here as well. So again, I think Apple have realized that lots of people are using GarageBand beyond its kind of obvious use, which is in music creation, and using it from that kind of additional option. So again, just by tapping on the top here, it's going to take me straight through to the audio recorder. And, fundamentally it only saves you a couple of minutes in terms of tapping on the plus and finding the audio recorder. But that, for some people, is all it takes to just speed up the process to be able to use the things in a lot simpler way. Now, there's also been some additional updates. Apple are great at adding in the new things to the sound library. The new updates here are some new keyboards added in, which just give you loads more keyboards to choose from, as well as live loops built into it. So I thought it would just be useful to just give an overview of just some of the new features that are in GarageBand at the moment. And as always, Apple are updating these apps all the time with some really, really cool features and functions. And you know what? I'd love to hear some of your thoughts about how you would like to see some of these apps enhanced going forward. So please feel free to drop them in the comments section below. And it would be great to see the ideas you have for how you would use these apps in your own teaching and learning.